Fundi. Oh yes. I got me a little off guard. Hey. Still on TBT. Roofing. Yes. You see, a young upwardly mobile man already. Tene au marogo aja wezo kumina Nairobi. Niona wo ena mweshiriria very progressive. Oge igwire kwa nyagi ohoro ati ni araguririe mabati.
Riu ucio ni aruta tawa.
Yes.
Ni akuigirira mwako.
Absolutely. Well, never mind. Many of us stopped there.
Siona kita kurire.
Yes.
Siari mainire there.
You see to manyoba sia dorori. Ya mafati miena was prestigious. Even today they make them very nicely. Now tukazi kuzi nyoba ya mafati ni rather dekora design tuega. Iko na thini gekiro plywood tuwo.
Ako ekedo safi.
Yes. Leo ogia gorire mafati kwaja. No mafati matiagura ogezai. Tena gezai gotienda yo mafati.
Makedio no, who would have stocked mabati?
If someone, if a family buys mabati once in 10 years,
once in a decade,
and the odds, mabati meda yoku ma murangare town area main.
Matao ni manene.
Yes.
Niku ogiagorire indo ta mabati.
Nyahururu, Nyeri, Muranga,
Karatina.
Yeah, Nanyukie, Meru,
Thika.
Yes. No ru andu ingi ni undu wa prestige ri. Magura mabati Nyairobi. Yes.
Akoro mundu aragithukumira Nyairobi.
Yes. Na ni waigua orio atiri marathie ku munene. Kenya njeru ukoherwo wega iyo ndo matagiumana na nginya guku miena makaubo guku miena matigate andu na mabati matiakinuka gana ngari nini
aca
ni FUNDI. Yes,
ni moerwo FUNDI ni.
Yes. Na kwe mabati mari hotene and I think they stopped manufacturing that kind of gauge. Ibati riho ritia kujagwo. Yes. Riu riathiare ke
rire igima oguo rirungie
yare ria marodi tondu riu ritiakuo ni matatu
sare ritia ria PSV
sana
hapana
ni ria ruo bika huine.
Yes.
Wega
riu ria kana marodi
no ngionie mundu wakua mabati mau futi imwe kwambata kana igiri ucio tika mwako.
He is preparing a serious
building. Ifatire wono muthiri to nyumba icio no ituirie ri ona magathe maya makurengari kwe matura gutari. Yes. The teens ni makurenga mabati ni magathe mau na njigua unge na magathe mau no mwako ngethire wire cifu
matika hotheka na crime.
Yes.
We kana
yes. Bila kugia any incident kumenyo mundu wi gatheria kurenga mabati guku
location sub location no
nesifuga ne FUNDI Gathaiya. Yes.
Ando ni au
ni atatu
mari magathe macio.
Yes. Ndirakura ibati riu riarengagwo na eto tindo na nyundo nyundo ria mu ibati riu ora no wakora ihe nyumba iguru. You see nowadays I think because of cost effectiveness do na ngai no cia huthirie ginya mabati.
Na ngari ni cia huthirie mabati.
Most of it is fiber plastic. Yes. Tena ngari tiare plastic. No go mabati magwa kama hanaga mwatengeranagia mabati iguru
na ibati reti modeke
ona hanini waigua kworio ni acio me iguru
nejao
ndwe nyumba cia tene cia kigoriri yenjerwo kieari mweno we njuri wahaica kamugunda kau ka hau iguru ri woka mabati
karanga mabati The highlands.
You didn't have to climb. Wait for your igorori. Wait for your gefo. Where you time this distance. So now you me miss it. Le kwa movia.
Irigare ryo kuriga thi nario.
Yona gutemo.
Kana utemo ndi ifati.
Yes.
Ewe ni kwa movia.
Na mavati mau wakoraga riu aitha hakohe na mukinduri atia mukinduri. Ojuetie kionge ha.
Ya mavati ni.
Riu athiana guo onora kweria wakuharurukia. Eta zipline. And I don't know what was the fun. Ciana cia thikũ ici tiambataga mavati igũrũ.
You see, for one,
yes,
mavati memeru it was a very exciting, yarega site very exciting.
Yes,
ciana tona kuo gutiare maundu maingi wa wingi shagi.
No, there was one, that was the only time you would step on something that is not dark.
And new.
Yes. And you know they had a glare. Serious glare.
Oh, no, mavati tene ugiakire na riria mucaino ri.
Yes.
Nyumba yo ne onekanaga mundu ekuraihu.
Ona andu amwe ni mamba gwaka nyumba ukora nigetha wendie guoya uchase cloud ri. Rukape gwaka miena.
Nyabu ya beigirirwo rufu.
Ogite. Andu aria mamuhoyagira moru na makamukunikira cioneki.
Andu aria magucenjaniirie marua ma kuria wetitwo thukuru
mamenye Ngai wa ihinda ringi.
Niokite.
You see where I you would not tell me na gutire.
No kuhereirie.
Actually, even churches used to start like that.
Nyamulia bega thi kwa ifati.
Riu waikara oguo ukona mundu umete na ino vya oka. Kuya no ndatigite.
Tio Nairobi.
O kata le wa karanja.
Karanja uriku?
Yo waitotia.
Aya karanja ni akire.
Tindo hau.
Na uno baito guo kana thogu au thecera kiugo.
Yes.
Agoro nduri waka.
Agwa nona mwana ucio ni munini yathie Nairobi orori. Na ni akanieherera nyina.
Niehera ja nyina.
That's a reality.
Check.
Check. Na leo kuona agucetie ginya hero. Ukiona guo ni arathanga ginya kugurana.
Nyumba yo yetwo na kothi.
Yes. Yo yetwo na kothi ngima. Na ndinge ici ndanaturwo kwa mugunda.
Yaiwe umira na eruba ni gwa tata we.
Niguo cia umira gwa timu anga timu seo cia gandu. Na ndaigua cirokia ithondeketwo ndawa ya muthwa. Wakiwa ni guthondeka thabari wikinyio kuoyo. You would get a little consolation wona mwena ti gwake.
Ukamenya ni mabati matumire wambe ugure guoya.
Yes. Na nyumba yo ni aikara guo na miaka iri.
Even more.
Na the more it stayed, the more the mami agira kiene makoha njau.
Wito ni ciaitagwo macani cie kiruru.
Yes. Kana wakora hindi ya burari okorwo ni mekumagara ri matiga manika nguo kuo.
Na bebe ciagethwo ri.
Yes.
Iria cia gucurio ri.
Iria curio kono.
Igacurio nyumba.
Urwaro ngoro gwito kiria ikora bebe icuritio from corner to corner. Binya master.
Bebe ihana ciringi nyumba yo.
Aurie mabati ma miena ikira mirango na kiiga na icoka Nairobi. Egeria bebe ciao. No ifatirie mucaino.
Na mucaino ucio ni waikaraga miaka miingi muno.
Na ni yari muhuri muiru. Na guocio ndwafutikaga.
Hapana.
Yakocoretwo ni muruthi.
Muruthi.
Yes. Ma ifatirie ho we. Ona makihingurwo waigua muru herai hau pio.
Kwanja ciana u. Igo kuhiriria ifatirie rutemu.
Rutemu. Ria igro kaigua. Ona mama kujaga u hadi we iniri. It was a special skill. Tone mukomena na marumure atatu. Rethi and you have to be in synergy.
Yes.
Nigetha licokere huna kawaya. No. Yes.
Bas. Licokere rio ho matatu iguru.
Riu nyokwa oneze ukite na mavati mau ni aguthaga gemisi igana.
Ciakahi.
Ngori. Akame ndaciarire kagege. Ona guoko reuga ni murakimenya Karoithani araka. Mavati mau ne make.
Acoke na riu no oka no aheana wira wa kwenja kiea.
Yes. Ucoke ni mwathorana na thoguo akuhariria mubariti. Uthoyo okay. Bow. Yes. So what I get quite move unless you are very good and good contributor. I copy the security reflector na musiri.
Leo guorotero rea.
Yes. Karoithani ki mwako wekire.
Ne besa ciambite kundengeria kidogo ni we riu.
Na tondu ngurite mavati na ngwiciria tondu riria twakaga nyumba ya rumu ithatu yari ya micumari kiro ngire mone micumari ndingiri na mbauri muconjo ni aturigainie na nyina wa ngururi no ngune munywa mai be hau waturirwo mbau na ni naihenya tondu munywa mai waturwo mbau ri wo manduigira mucumari riu ririo kwihariria ri oyeke atia
umenye uria kwibanga na rua
no mundu akabuturi ukuriha no ureke micumari fundi Gathaiya ndakirio ha
fundi ario guku
mavati ngwiciria mahuragirwo thiko ici
ithatu
anwete na mafundi ni marugagirwo. People nowadays don't cook for you, come with your food. Yes.
Kama lunch ikifika unajipanga
enda buroti nwete na mafundi marugagirwo tondu gutiare mikao na ne mahigaga irio
wega
and they would sometimes deliberately slow down mari yake gwaku why kora marahura mavati matandatu muthenya
akainuka
and because you have no technical know-how makwa ndui mavati makiria gwikaga ri ifati ni ugwati muno kwi ruhuho
muno
na nui uguturare guciria kamba lingiura mangiura
mothe
nikiorona ngimatwara na ki
manatiendaga ihenya
koguo nyina wa mari tiga kutengeria wira uriku
wira wenda kahora
kabatorute niene njikite mavati mara maikara muno guku
na fundi ndathomagirwo atene
PCA ri ni ndagita riri aura
uri waigua
riu nitake tuthie ki
kahora
akamenya ne yandikira cuisine. And you see, on the contractor ni atuika ex-hosted, na resources igatuika
depleted.
Riu mafundi matengenagia wira mona riu ni kwanjia guka kindu gitao cereal. Mona githeri kia wa maitikari waru makamanya guku ri twahiha mahuragirwo rekondi mothe
mwana na kimera kingi mukihura cia mwe
yes
na wikira mirango na ndirisa
achele kwa ndo mahurire rufu yo ritho rigituika ki riu
na magithie
they just satisfied their parents ego ati no yake atia no ake yes ona kuhenetie kwa jeza young man utukite ni worale heri irio cio it was satisfactory
ucio ni muru wa Ngoni urakaharia
atari be andiraigua ona fundi uri uraratha nyumba yo ri tiwa guku
ndi waku
ndiraigua kana guku guo ri hindi andu meciragia Nairobi gundu guothe ni gwa Utonga ndiraigua kana guku guo kiambio Reure. Because it's old school Thursday.
It's Thursday.
You see, icagi nĩ ciatuĩkire vibrant. Yes. If you compare now and then, there were times gĩcagi kwarĩ nago kiru keho.
Maũndũ go stagnate.
Actually, the livestock and wild animals would their sounds would run the air more than aikari. Agando matiarĩ maũndũ ma kũnegena.
No nĩ kwarĩ gũkiru.
Nĩ kwarĩ gũkiru. Ona wĩ mũrĩmo ũgĩtuĩkanĩrio ũrĩa ũngĩ waigua Oria novo yandikaga the blood of a distant goat. Na ng'ombe yo yakira ugakira ki. Na nĩkĩo andũ mauma Nairobi magathiĩ makauga it's calm and peaceful. Ũmũthĩ ũyũ harĩa buroti yegori. There is ambience.
No, riu no gutia kĩgĩire nginya thitima.
He mũndũ rendia inanda hau. He wĩho ũrauga karibia upate whatever ya bure. Harĩ ũngĩ harĩ ũrendia ndawa cia whatever.
Ũkirakirĩte ũkaigua nduthi ndo.
Yes. Tene rũgongo nĩ kwarĩ gũkiru.
Pio.
You see one, there is a time rũgongo especially Mount Kenya we were heavily in the dark. Herenjia ikaria mĩaka 3 tarĩ yoka ngari.
Even more.
Even. Yes.
Kwa joro koro kwa nyini kwethe na matuika matirita gwitũ.
Yes.
Ũkũrehaga section ga bara gatuĩkire.
Yes.
Nĩ mũkũtha mĩaka igana ona mwena ũcio ũngĩkaingĩra ngari.
Absolutely. Ona ngari yoke gũtuĩka ng'ombe nĩ ciahiũkia tondũ they have never had it.
Ona gũgacĩra kandu a magũrũ.
Rũgongo kwarĩ gũkiru kwa jo tuko. Na nĩkuo igua andũ makiuga atĩ kwa njĩra nguire iria igĩkũga. Everyone could hear them.
From far. No go nĩguo manjagia suspect itũra.
Yes.
Gwĩkĩrũmi.
Yes. Don't nweru nĩ mamenya mĩkũgĩre ya ngui. Tero mũkũgĩre wa mũcini. No. Mukamea, that's a wild
animal.
Yes. Within the community. Ona athuri macokanĩrĩra hau. Okona no he njiri manyua ndogo yo ndiambataga. I think the air was also very dense. Mago mathiana ituta Musa.
Ria njiri.
Njiri had dense smoke. Very dense. Yeah. Yeah, na aroshisha. Ona macoka kaigua kundu kuri. Kuilo yangu irahu aokori. Ana cia no patie kurorwo. Neke kuri.
Na ndikuigua uo mahwaĩ merĩ matatũ.
No kaigua muga ake. Na ayo tutogereithia muno. Yo rogame harĩa muthomi. And you know consequently because you are that conservative and structural. Gutiare magogona. Magwĩtũrĩra. You know what I mean?
Magogona mamiago.
Yes. You see through the local club, very few had entertainment.
No, people went there to talk.
You would entertain yourselves, and I think that was the proper drinking. Hiyo ndio riado johire yanyu woja gathuri makainake.
Bori.
Makeino. Wae tukakira. Okay, gota kwira rayo. Okay, it's a muffled conversation affair. Gutiari ati TV do. Ni metho na chike gota arisia.
Kuohwo rwibo.
Moikata mwe conference. What the other form? You know what I mean? Omuthi one wothie mioro. Wetitwo a birthday party. Yes.
Wega biũ.
Andu maikaro makauga cucu witũ ri tutimenya aciarirwo ri. Tuguthondeka omuthi tuike birthday ya.
Tuike birthday yake na tuthondeke event thaka.
Na keki. Actually keki some of us growing up. Keki tuone mwe kana iti. Igĩrĩ. Iria ciando arĩa mekire moiki and they were very basic cake. Actually keki ya ngorofa yumeku.
You leave alone even icing.
Icing. Yeah, do you would even think that was imported from heaven. Icing sugar keki ya white. Keki ya ngoni mwalimu wa home science.
My mom they are gare mwalimu wa home science.
You see?
I will do a keki.
No ataskagwo and they would bake a very small cake and you are very sure as he not to nini you will not eat.
Hiyo na hutagusa.
You did not even have expectations.
Zero expectations.
You see keki ori. It was very small. Ona keki rate 1 kg. Now that we know. Leo tusemanitie na andwa Valentines. Mara bakers. No yoge.
She bakers.
She carries. Leo tu she carries. Na tu keki ya kilo 1 ya igire. Ari kilo eno.
Imwe.
No me keki ori. No ya tina yore dia singima. Ya thoni maindo. Athoni mainukiria aria matanahota ki
matanahota guka the entire half.
So what are you left with? Mwatigo na mugate to 500 grams.
And here you have a whole community.
Yes. Moiki na moikania magamba makarumania the other quarter.
Na marumia best couple.
Marumia best couple. Leo mwatigo na queen keki hizi.
A whole village mwabeti oneshi for aitura.
Yes. Why you asiari. And you know people never used to ando matiethera ye hiko maria nini. Matiara hiko cia andwa nini.
Ngiwa kona ingine kweruhia.
Riu asiari ori. Ni akuru biu. Ani magire matienda maundu mau makuigwo high table. Yes. Makiwa maromio keki kiromio mutungatiri kana mufi yani. Kuisha.
Inyumo komiumagario na rwibo.
Na keki
na wetekio.
Na yo ni undu wa uria riera ria ritheru gicagiri. Keki he undu ya nunga gokaigwa. Leo mare kiari he tatu amwe murugami uria warugama na jesi ndeigagirwo ene ino na ndithondekagirwo aluminium foil ino aka platform ndeigagirwo yako kibati leo ni mwana yo kibati
sinia hari
dai kana ndu sinia ya hanage cicio kia afya center guthera
tondu mbere iyo ni tharano.
Yes.
Na ni gutharana ruiteki.
Ona rututuro ruingiro itekaga. You just want a distant taste of what a cake would taste. Yes. Na no geki nyingio na rogo cia rugo somewhere near Duvia.
Omanya sukari ndware ina abundance.
Na le maru yake kina sukari ule ofatie re. That would be the sweetest thing you'd taste in your entire young life. Una ni wewe ya matuine, ria ndumera o matuine, twathi matuine ne keki ile.
Iragia matuine gukahanda oguo.
No, we are still not sure because we are not there. Yato akija kone tokame.
Tokame ja.
But you would swear you have tasted heaven. Sukari uragoma na kanua. You make it into a fine paste and swallow it. That was yes. Keki Uhiki, it was not a mass product.
No. In fact, you know, mundu ugiatekire offense.
Yes.
Ni guthi Uhiki age keki.
Yes. Fatane mamenya ne kuma keki.
Ne kuma keki.
Well, never mind itura imale ugaga ne turathi kuria mucere. Keki ndiako mathabu. Thikoni maga kwena keki.
Yes. No, keki was the area high table.
Yes.
And a select few.
Very select few. Very select. Kindu kire maumana kyo kuuri ne mucere. Ne mucere wa muhire ga ikara thiri. Weta ya tokonia tutu.
Tuiri.
Well, never mind mucere it was somewhere near porridge.
Ya gokanyitana.
No dware gima na dware githeri. That is what used to make it very valued.
Na ciana riu nacio igurirwo juici icoke ihurwo karimeno kagima.
He mutumia akona 5 hau. Kana akona na duramu ya mai. Odo yekirwo 3 top kani. Ajura na 3 top we ori. Diarahaga ndo wega.
Bore cenjie rangi tu.
They would make you drink water like a calf.
Na tugakena we ukairuka we ni unyure nju
My mama sugwa. You see again rogo kwaja rwa gwituri. Oranges never used to do well at all. But yari masugwa na thoko. Na dore mari ya masugwa ne moneka meveria. The only time you would get near an orange is that mixture of water and a faint pigmentation
of orange juice.
Yes. Ona mutumia kana kondo kena sifanyisha three-top kana kuija ya umogwa. Yes.
Kira bucket mai.
And those ladies matata maure, they would without giving a hoot or without apology makarigeria ciana ciao kamata
without a care.
And you would tell tondu ona ciana ciao cina warangi wa juice ke
miromo na ruremi
inye area muheiro ndiganete pigmentation
Ana tojite kindu
ito ciana ciao ihana litmus.
Nepotism.
It was heavy. Na edo abidia koja safasi 25%.
Yobo kiodo.
Yes. Atwa ile murumena siana.
Kwa mali ya kasi Uhiki na matiuma kuwa in person.
Na ne kwari riri. Ne kwari to odita to he. Ne to amenya ni muciure ko waiya. Akamenya rucio ko uri. Shaiti mukafu.
Akamenya kwena form.
They would start hoovering around that homestead at 6 a.m.
Na kuho ivia idata idhano wakana icembe.
Yes. Waikara hau. Family ya makona atiri. Mabe ma hold safari.
Which is a loot.
Yes. It's a corruption loot. Magi yano makona nume okuwa ne expectation na ngaragu. Okay, anyo kia?
Kienyo.
Yes. Now where you have been you know radicalized into the system. Now you are also a corrupt person.
Don't give you kuga.
Yes.
Because you have handled and consumed.
Yes, corruption proceeds.
Proceeds of corruption.
I can do a kuja and used to eat it very fast to avoid any sharing.
Lukero hii le turekere samuka nini ni yaga
waiguata warutu thakame kali akinuthuki ukamenya ona maiya ndaguneka
ndiramenyire no guciuma thutha.
Yes,
nginya kuria iri
wacoka riu ukamohio you know their calendar ukamohio kamenya muma kanitha sad niguo makanywa soda iria maraiyire
nilio gecokithia ithanwa.
Hiyo sasa ndio ilikuwa form. And sometimes you would go a cool 6 years. Mutare mwa Uhiki.
Even more.
Even 10. You see, sometimes you would even hear there was a wedding, but the family that was wedding since blacklisted yours.
Kanoka iweru ono hiki ndonekirwo ku urekeirwo kuraihu.
Yes.
Ko una nuramenya wega ciari aku matige kurihira go community ati uthi Uhiki.
Na kuru no kumublock.
Kukunywa block.
Mumo yako blocking list. Tonde maramenya wega. Meko go deliberately. They are aware with your meager resource. The only mode of transport you can employ is food. Na motige kinya maragwa sama.
Ugakiganira
ikiwitho okora liguata ni wao ni wari tuheire andu tondu gwatuikirio rekirwo ngitagwatia there was a club ya thakagirwo mithako ni ya machangi
ko
haha Juja Cheers Highway Motel. Pero como que ay como tiene algo tuitari. No como quiere atia.
Ugire.
Murai twaro hiki Nairobi ni getha andu. Yes.
And
you know the few people who were selected to go to Cheers Highway Motel. Nimas okirie proper tales with exaggerations.
Makiuga gutire kuona ko hiki to cio.
Kwaje mawi ati ona moini ahitukire hu ameko au.
Nikuhorithia ni ohiki.
Iko kwena form rongo. Ana othio gu ndramenya kuma undu wiro twali kwangania.
Ukorerere kiundu.
Kitambo agukua form. Still on TBT. You see, technology has changed things
a lot.
The modus operandi with technological edges is swifter, easier. Yes. And some of the things the young ones take for granted, we from the struggle, we appreciate a lot. Yes. We appreciate completely. As Stacy, they want to listen to a song at the touch of a button.
Click.
Magathikiriria Shaggy. Magathikiriria Waithaka wa J. Magathikiriria okwenda kuigua Ciakeri. Okay, matikio Ciakeri. They want to order something online. Yes.
By a click of a button,
yes.
You order.
Yes. Tene, near the access kid with our entertainment today. It was a struggle.
To access entertainment.
And no entertainment idea literally. The music.
No, that what other entertainment?
There's variety, there's leisure, there's staycations, there's vacations, there's road trips. Road trip to Tigaima, road trip watu rawame Diana Magoro.
You do your twamenya. Ona to ikarangite gicuka giki.
Na nikio andu rugongo na mekira nguo ihana inewa ladies. My get a booty shots with a very nice figures. My get a booty shot. Magathie ginya mo bada.
Makera na one of them.
Yes.
Ni arathimitwo na mu CX5 mweru nywa.
Yes.
Wekelea.
Na Honda ito vere? Vezel. Yes.
Kegoro.
Moru.
Kegoro.
Yes. Ni murathime na Vezel. Makauga we are going for a road
trip.
Growing up maundu ta mau ona aria mari mbere thio na makimek.
They had not done it.
Road trips were done to the river and back.
They were walking trips.
Yes. When you have to go buy something that is not within the locality, you do a road trip of Futsubishi.
That was a road trip.
The nearest place ogia katire gari ya ukumeria ginya Muranga ni Mukangu kana Karure. Yes.
That was serious trekking.
No, we were literally hunters and gatherers. Kanothie kangema tondu na gitue gotiare rami.
Gotiare rami gitue.
Yes.
Yoka the other day.
Andu aya karego matuikanagiria iyego ku kana makambata ginya njira ya guthie Jobi. Yes.
Aria farajeru.
Yes. It was hard to live a good life.
Extremely hard.
There was nothing soft about the way we have grown up. Nothing completely. Everything was hard. Yes. Kugate odhikireri. Ate wekira rwimbo odhikireri. You would have to wait until you become an adult and make your money.
Te odhikireri rwimbo.
You see, in the technological world na mundu kianda. Yokuingira gathimo kroina ya Safaricom data bundle. Woigira hau. Google. Ya rutara.
Kana othie YouTube.
Yes.
Wekire rurenda.
Ocuria hau mucidano goini. Othikagiririo kahoro atia.
Ukirimaga.
Yes.
Na ringi kwanja wina ka system kega ka Bluetooth wiri gakugura.
Yes, ga charger.
Ga go charge.
Yes.
Mobile.
Tena ithuori. Aigero ati andu aige mai na radio ege metikiria gucagura the media. You know, kina Muthoni here don't know transistorized radios. There's even a song in our country now about the transistor radio. I think it's Listen to the Radio.
Yeah, and there's one transistor radio by
yes.
I think Crystal Girl.
Transistor radio. Look, I am at you transistor. Yeah, I go ha thutha na wahuta you radio kamba. Modo musi wathia ugakora mena oro unit na cia thire fashion ni ciria tiga oro unit ni ya senior ko thuri murata yitweta mugatundu ni kumiri atiare gwakura ino ni arika na waithira yes
cio ni ciari maica
yes riu kundu wathia wakora oro unit ndinyagitio ikombe yoneke
it is space to
yes ena compartment mwanya ya mikwa
ya cassette
yes yes ate ena kamaru volume 1 ginya volume 9 yes ena mutheni wa ngai ena rogweti yes
ena mwalimu James Bogwa
wega ena ginya nyambere volume 1 yes those were rare homes.
Very rare.
Very rare.
Very rare.
Iyo ne mesi yari rere guide umagira oho hothe.
They had a compound.
Kwaje riu aria makoraga riu ni athomi thitafu ona cassette ciake ciandikitwo kuma A. It's like a library.
Ikabangwo na alphabet.
Yes. Na mutumia ni undu wa githomo ri akakania cia ndaci na ciake
na cia gospel.
Yes. No, we would not afford those things. Ole mwathi akota kukaiguira thoguo tha. Okarigo aeteirie au.
Wamenye aturaga ainagia muku omwe.
Yes.
Riri ona mbia cia mahiga.
Yes.
Anigetha itikanine mahiga agocokia thutha kana gutwara mbere ni karamu.
Ni beiva.
Ni bikia gathiururukia.
Yes. Ena Mufti Moses na Pasonero.
Na cumbe wa thi.
Yes.
Ibe.
Kurumoda na rumo na kuigirwe yenyo Akedo kalewo na kiki. Na nyimbo ciothe cia gospel nĩ ciinagira ũru wa thĩ ĩno.
Thĩ nĩ yamenagĩrĩrio mũno.
Ũtũũro wa thĩ ĩno nĩ mwega kũrĩ amwe no rĩa angĩ moragia. Thĩ ĩno tũgeka atĩa?
Tũkauma rĩ.
You would not have those luxuries. Yes. Ati tape.
Ati kwaja ati wina tape, you know mundu wahota gubanga tape kwaja na alphabet.
Yes.
Ni mundu ugurite riu tape nyingi. They need order.
It's a library. Alafu literally wakora riu haha mwico-ini ri ena mikwa 8 ya githungu.
Charlie Pride,
Michael Jackson,
Jim Reeves,
a Black Box. Mundu wetagwo Rick Astley. Ore wainete never gonna give you up. Yes. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you. Na alafu nigetha riu onekane nake no muthia nguri ako enarege ichi
igere
Bob Marley na Rakidu
Dube.
Nikiurera andu acio mwakiona kuza department ya matwini na nigetha muingate ri ekira mathungu mau
Kamwehereria muthini wa Ngai.
Andu othe arugo mau a mathungu ni mamboe.
Ni manyua mahiga. Cia githungu ni iri na mahiga.
Aiwa mwakirwo Jim Reeves.
Put your sweet lips a little closer to the phone. Let's pretend that we're together all along.
Madongo mau wekeria ni mariku.
Kame Joshua daraharo nake.
Okay, wangi yori ni muthuri omwe. Ithe wa Njeri.
Oi.
Na uraigua ndu. Yake igua neke.
Kandago ake ndu itaraigua.
Neki ahituka. Ndogotigetie rwa wa Njeri. Nogweti.
Arenda sinyorita.
Andu aria marwa bara ya kwigurira radio na mukwa rugongo nowadays. It was literally like a retirement plan. Ni wedi nginya mahiu. Yes.
Uigania cia radio na mukwa.
Uthie gakira. Na ndu ndungegurire radio cassette wae guka na mukwa. Ko we test na ndu.
No ni ugure at least mikwa at least 2 3 4.
Yes. Mikwa rithika. Never mind the same genre.
Tony gospel igire.
Yes.
Secular igire. At least ukona variety.
Na ko ni wenda kururia ri. Ukagura he mukwa wari ho. Nyimbo ici ngicio ciari virtually useless because no one knew them. Tigoro mwe weto makarena. All the other ones were unfamiliar. They were so kaiwa tamna ko janja kulia makarena. Tamna ko janja kulia kasarena. Hey makarena.
Ndio wathiĩte taũni kũgũra.
Yes. Wewe kiona mukwa wa makarena wewe yate hena nyimbo ingĩ ihana makarena. Wewe kora ici ngiona ona kũrĩa umĩte citiũĩkaine.